In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history and restore a file using Dropbox. Whether you're using the web version on Dropbox.com or the Dropbox desktop app on your computer, managing file versions is a simple but incredibly useful task. Let's dive in and explore how this works. Starting with the web version of Dropbox, the first thing you need to do is sign into your account at Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Files section where all your files are stored. Take a moment to locate the specific file for which you want to investigate the version history. This is typically the file you're interested in rolling back to a previous version, perhaps after some changes were made that you'd like to undo. When you hover over the file, you'll notice a little button, which stands for More Options. Go ahead and click on that button, then select Activity from the drop-down menu, and finally, choose Version History. This will open up the Version History panel, revealing a list of previous versions of the file. You'll see various details like dates, times, and who made changes to the file, allowing you to trace the file's history and decide which version you might want to preview or revert to. After reviewing the available versions, choose the version you'd like to restore. Once you've made your decision, click on the button that says Roll back to this version, or something similarly worded, to replace the current file with the older version you selected. It's a straightforward process, and once completed, your desired version will be active on Dropbox. Now, let's turn our attention to how you can accomplish this in the Dropbox desktop application, whether on Windows or Mac OS. Start by opening your local Dropbox folder on your computer. Locate the file you wish to restore to an earlier version. If you're using a Windows computer, right-click on the file, whereas if you're on a Mac, you'll need to Control-click the file. With the context menu displayed, choose the Version History option. This process is quite similar to what we did on the web. You will see a list of previous file versions, just like you did online. Select the version you prefer from the list and confirm your choice to restore it. Remember, once you restore the file, Dropbox will sync the updated version across all your devices, so you have a consistent version everywhere. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage file versions in Dropbox. Whether you're using the web interface or your desktop application, reverting to an earlier version of a file only takes a few steps. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you make changes you later want to undo, or if you need to access previous versions for any reason. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide helps you keep your files organized and intact.